These days, your PC can literally become a new entertainment center for your home. Windows Millennium Edition includes Windows Media Player 7.0, which is designed to offer the best consumer experience for the discovery, download, personalization, and playback of digital audio and video content. This is the player. Notice the brand new look and feel. Down here are all the standard controls, such as stop, play, and pause. Let's play this song. We call the activity going on here visualizations. These are animations that dance to the beat of the music and add to the overall experience of enjoying your digital media. Customers have told us that they want to have a more immersive experience as they listen to music and watch videos on their PC. The graphic equalizer lets you change the way music sounds to satisfy your tastes. You can see here that the default settings are selected, but I can click this arrow and change it to a pop setting, or one more click and it goes to a rock sound. You can also customize this to your own preferences. When watching videos, settings such as contrast and brightness can also be changed here. The Media Guide is a centralized area for finding great content on the web. You can easily locate music, internet radio stations, or content tailored for a broadband connection. Media Player dynamically pulls CD artist and track information from the web to ensure music is correctly identified. CD Audio lets you copy your CD collection or individual songs from CDs to your PC with a single click of a button. Copied CDs are saved by default to a folder called My Music that lives within the My Documents folder. Windows media files are half the size of MP3s, so you can fit more songs on your hard drive. The Media Library provides a centralized view of the music and videos stored on your PC. It can search your hard drive and catalog every piece of media you have. Music is automatically organized by album, artist, and genre. It's easy to create custom playlists tailored to your tastes. For example, I can create a new custom playlist, then quickly add a track by highlighting it and clicking Add to Playlist. Radio Tuner offers access to over 1,500 radio stations organized by language, country, and music type. I can easily create my own presets by selecting My Presets, then adding a station from the search engine. Windows Media Player makes it easy to take your music on the road with a one-click process. Under Portable Device, you'll see your playlists and content on the left-hand side of the screen, and the portable device on the right. All I have to do is select the tracks I want to copy by checking or unchecking the boxes, then click on Copy Music. Note the visual indicator in the lower right corner that tells how much space is left on the portable player. Portable music players do require a different type of connection, such as a USB or serial port, and proprietary software to be able to transfer music to the device. Skins change the look and feel of the player and give it more personality. Let's take a look at the Headspace skin. Note the slide-out panel as I select a song from my playlist. There's a slide-out panel on the other side as well that includes the graphic equalizer. The basic player controls are located up here. Skins are extensible, so anyone who wants to can create a skin. The anchor is always in the lower right-hand corner, so it's easy to return to full mode. This completes our tour of Windows Media Player 7. As we've seen, Windows Media Player lets you enjoy digital media in an easy, integrated, and personalized way. Organize your music collection, discover new radio stations and content, or personalize your digital media experience. No matter what you choose, Windows Media Player is ready to deliver.